chewed on my elbow. That hurt.
Ow. I'll make it better. I'll make it crack.
He's chewing on my elbow like a bone. Oh, it is a bone, I guess.
Juicy bone. It still has the meat on it.
Cautious.
Hey, sit my way. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. No.
Hey, I know it was funnier whenever he's running around the bed.
No kidding. And I'm trying to like make a movie and he won't do what?
Uh-oh. Maybe I'll just told you. Shelby, when you were gone, I was like,
He's biting my nose. Come here. Come here.
Oh my gosh, Shelby, yesterday on Mr. Rogers, they were doing battery stuff and this dog was like,
And then it did a flip.
and then it was like, aww. Tell Peppy, she's getting mad.
Let her
Guys,
get
this is
mad.
what you need.
Mm-hmm.
You can ask Aunt Pat if you can borrow it.
No, it's not.
Mm-hmm. We can
It's
just put cushions
sorta.
right here.
No, but it has to go like
You
that.
can put round pillows there.
Well, if we can't find anything, we use Aunt Pat. But we'd have to use it for like the whole competition season.
And then Viola's bed would be gone. She wouldn't have bed. She wouldn't have a bed. Or we can just ask her where she got it.
It's probably like $400 though.
Yeah.
Hey, that's my armpit.
And if it were to break for some reason,
He stumbled a little bit too close. Oh, it's crawling! I'm on top of the wall!
I'm gonna make out with you. Don't step on Viola's head.
There's something tasty on my...
What if he stepped on Viola's head? Viola or Viola?
That tickle. What are you doing back there? Darby, why do you